Hello everyone. I'm a blockchain security researcher, and when I'm doing context in Code for Arena, I came across this very cool project called Art Gobbler. It's backed by one of the largest crypto fund paradigm in crypto space, and also the art comes from the famous artist that draw Rick and Morty. So I think this project has a great potential. So to get a spot in the whitelist in Freemint, I create and open source two projects. The first one is I index all the global events using the Graph API. So when the user feed an NFT to Art Gobbler, it gets indexed. And then we can use a GraphQL query to get all the NFT that are feeded into the contract. And I also open source a front end, so anyone can import an NFT and then gobble the NFT to their art gobbler. So let me do the demonstration. First, this is the GraphQL, the subgraph. Um, we can query all the indexed NFT. For example, we can query like all the NFT that Gobbler number 2 have. So yeah, as we can see, Gobbler ID 2 has 2 NFT. So or maybe like 3. So by using this, we can use a GraphQL API to query and have an idea of how many NFT each art gobbler are fed. So yeah, and let me show you the website so anyone can import an NFT. Well, I mean, this is the mock NFT I deployed to do the demonstration. So yeah. First, we need to import the NFT contract, and then we need to input the NFT ID. As we can see, for this NFT, it is already fed into the Art Gobbler contract in this transaction. So yeah. So in this case, we cannot feed it again, and the other NFT are also feed it into the Art Gobbler. So I mean, for ID number 4, as we can see, we are the owner. We are the owner of this NFT, and to feed it into the Art Gobbler, I mean, first we need to approve the contract. Let me show you how the approve works. Since I already approve it, let me revoke the approval. So set approval for all. Operator is this false. Yeah. So after the approval is revoked, I will show you how we can do the whole process in the website. Yeah, let's see. It will maybe take a few seconds to confirm, but yeah, and by the way, by default, I use the Rickaby testnet, which will not be functioning very soon. Yeah, but since we use it, we can also use the OpenSea to see our contract. For example, this is the mock NFT. Interesting. Okay, Anyway, let's go back. So now let's do it again. Let's import. And then number 4. And then number 3, because we have it, we have an art gobbler. And first we need to approve the smart contract. We need to give the art gobbler contract permission to transfer our NFT so we can feed our NFT. So, and let's see. Yeah, now the transaction is confirmed. We can feed this NFT into the contract. Yeah, I mean, the transaction is confirmed, and let's see it on chain. Yeah, I mean, it's still pending. We will wait for a while. And if we go back to the our Gobbler contract page, we can see that we just feed the 4th NFT into the contract. Yeah. And right, I mean, if we go back and we can see that the owner is the art gobbler. And if we go to our subgraph, it's still indexing, but we can see that okay, I mean, it works. As we can see, for art gobbler number 3, it is fed by, it gobbled 2 NFT number 3 and NFT number 4, and this is the NFT contract. So yeah, that's it. I mean, in the future, I want to build a dashboard using the subgraph, the GraphQL API to display for each individual art gobbler how much NFT they have. They are gobbled. With this GraphQL API, it should be very straightforward. Thank you. I hope I can get a spot for the free mint, and I wish Art Gobbler a very big success.